This is a good example of Dr. Martens developing split sole where the outsole is joined to the welt with the famous heat sealing method. Let's try to repair that. I am going to use an urethane glue because this is the only chemical that is supposed to create a strong bond between the two parts of the sole that are said to be made of polyurethane. First, clean the surfaces thoroughly with alcohol. I am not advertising this product by any means. This is just a suitable urethane glue, by a known brand, that stays clear and flexible when cured, and can be easily be found worldwide. Apply the glue to both surfaces evenly and let dry for 15 minutes. Join the surfaces and hold firmly in place with tape, clamp or weight. Clean the excess material with 99% rubbing alcohol. Let it cure overnight.